Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be providing simple fixes for common Windows 11 issues. Now, Windows 11, while a powerful operating system, can sometimes present users with frustrating issues. Thankfully, many common problems have relatively simple fixes, and that's where we come in this video. So stick around to the end as we'll provide some tips. The first is slow performance. In order to fix this, you can go over to the Windows button, type in Start Up, and you're going to see here Startup Apps. Click on it, and you're going to see all the apps that are starting up while your Windows is booting, thus presenting an impact on your startup speed. You can see some of these apps are currently toggled on and they have a high impact. If you have multiple apps running with a high impact, this will definitely slow down your performance while starting up. The next thing you need to do is to go over to Windows Update to make sure that you're up to date with all your drivers and software versions. And this includes security patches. And the next, still while you're in settings, you can go over to System, then click on Storage. Then you're going to use Storage Sense. As you can see right here, it's toggled on. And this is important because when you click on it, you can have some automated actions running. For example, you have run Storage Sense every week, delete files in My Recycle Bin if they've been there for over 30 days. And also you have another one to delete files in My Downloads folder if they haven't been opened for more than 60 days. These are important settings that you can put on your Windows 11 to help speed things up. Going a step back, you can also see what is taking up space. You have installed apps, documents, other temporary files, and desktop. You can see temporary files are up to 8.55 gigabyte, so you can click on it and decide to delete them one at a time. The downloads folder has the chunk of it, so we don't want to delete it here. Rather, it's best to go over to the downloads folder and delete what needs to be deleted while you still have what you're still intending to use. The next is Wi-Fi connectivity issues. The simplest way to fix your Wi-Fi is to simply restart your router. So go ahead and find your router at home or in the office, turn it off, wait for 30 seconds, and turn it back on. The next thing to do is to follow the updates provisions on your router. The next, you can go over to Settings as we're currently here, select System, and then you're going to scroll down to where you have Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot right here, then select Other Troubleshooters, and then you have Network and Internet. Click on Run, and this is going to run an analysis on your network and provide suggestions to fix it for you. Another thing you could do is to still go over to Settings while we're still here, and then you're going to select Network and Internet, then select Advanced Network Settings, then come over to where you have Reset Network. As you can see, this resets all network adapters to factory settings in case you ran into a problem that you've not been able to fix despite the previous options applied. Do take note that this means you might need to re-enter the password to your network provider in order to gain access once again. The final problem is if you're having File Explorer issues. What you can do is to go over to your Windows Explorer, and then you're going to come over to the three dots here, click on Options, and then right here you have Clear Explorer History. This basically frees up some space from the temporary folder, thus helping your File Explorer to work more efficiently. And if that doesn't work, you can close this, and on the bottom you can click on your taskbar, click on Taskbar Manager, and then when you find Windows Explorer here, among the processes, you can right click on it and then click Restart. This will take a moment, and after restarting, this should help your File Explorer work normally. So these are some tips you will definitely find helpful to fix some common issues in Windows 11. So let us know in the comment section below which you'll be trying, and if this was helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.